Hey guys, Marie here. In this quick video, I want to show you how you can become an Amazon associate in under 10 minutes by signing up to the associate program. So I'm going to walk you through the whole process by sharing my screen with you so you can follow along and do it with me. So go ahead and screenshot the link that'll appear in the screen right now. Paste it in your browser and I'll see you on the other side. All right, so we're going to go ahead and create an account. So first thing you want to do is paste the link in your browser. And here you go. You are now on the Amazon Associates homepage where you can sign up to be an affiliate. All right, so let's do it together. We're gonna go ahead and click sign up right here. So here, when you click sign up, it's gonna ask you to sign in your Amazon account. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and create one. All right, so I just created an account. It takes me on that page right here. So this is the first step for creating your account on Amazon Associate. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fill up that form right here and then hit next. So you can just pause that video, fill up those fields, and meet me at the next step. All right, so now I've hit next. I land on that page, which is the second step, website and mobile app list. So it says your websites and mobile apps. So here you wanna add all the links to the places that you're gonna link your Amazon associates or links, which means everywhere that you think that you're gonna sell products, you're going to want to add it there. When you don't have a website, that is not a problem. You can enter, if you have an Instagram account, for example, you're going to add here. I'm going to do it right now. Instagram, and then your username, .inc. You're going to add your Instagram URL here, and then you want to go ahead and add every other places that you think you're going to display Amazon links. We do have a YouTube channel, a Stan Store, a Pinterest account, so I'm going to go ahead and add all of those here. All right, so now I have all my links. Basically, all I did was went ahead and add them one at a time here. All right, so if you go ahead and you read, if you hover these instructions here, you're going to learn more about how the program works. Basically, they are most likely to say yes. And to stay eligible, you're going to have to make, if I'm correct, 3 sales in the next 180 days. It's just for them to make sure that they don't keep people active, if they don't keep accounts open if people are not active. So this is not a problem. So when you're done and you have all your links in here, you're gonna go ahead and hit next. And then they're gonna ask you, are any of the traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 13? Shouldn't be. These traffic sources are not eligible to display banners, widget. So you're required to declare this information. Most likely you're not, so you click no and then confirm. All right, so now third step is your profile. So again, there are instructions right here, so you can go ahead and read them. Just says that they're going to give you a username. It doesn't really matter, so just enter your name. So I'm just going to go ahead and do all like this. And then tell us about the content you create. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so then we're gonna go ahead and go select this here, which is the following best describes your content: blog, content or niche, website, comparison shopping engine, coupons. So here it will most likely be blog. Even if it's social media and you don't have a blog per se, it doesn't matter. The type of content is the closest to a blog. Then how did you hear about us? That doesn't really matter. We're going to go word of mouth. And then type the CAPTCHA and agree to the term and then hit finish. And that's it. Look at that. Congrats, Driven. Thank you for applying to the Amazon Associates program. Your unique associate ID is Driven by Women 20. You may occasionally need to provide your associate, blah, blah, blah. So now you can go ahead and read that. But what it says basically is that you are part of the program. So you did it. You don't have to do anything else for now. You can start generating links and sell Amazon products. So how it works is they open an account for you. And as I said earlier, if you do not qualify for sales after 180 days, your application will be closed. And then don't worry, if something happens and then you don't do it, you can reapply again. So now you can enter your payment and tax information now or later. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter with the fact that you can today, as of right now, start selling Amazon products and get a commission. So I'm going to go ahead and hit later. And here you arrive on your dashboard. So it's, as you can see, it's really well explained. There are arrows everywhere. They're going to walk you through your dashboard, how to generate a link, how to find products to sell. Everything's in here. So when you're ready, you just hit get started and you are ready to go. So I just want to add a little word. Amazon is not the only program that accepts people that don't have a website. However, it is, in my opinion, the easiest to start when you're brand new to affiliate marketing. So I would recommend that you sign up for Amazon, you get familiar with the interface, the dashboard, how it works, how to get your link, how to promote your link. And then when you're familiar with affiliate marketing in general, which won't take you a lot of time because it's pretty easy, just need to understand the basics, then you can start looking and searching for other programs that accept people without a website. There are plenty out there, you just need to find them.